My dear brothers and sisters, you may be aware that the names of the months in the calendar year have a pagan origin. They are either the names of Roman gods or some Roman festivals. For example, March, the third month, is named for Mars, who is a god of war. Mayesta is named for May, who is a god of honor, and so on. Janus is a god who has two faces, face behind and in front. And we have the month of January. The face behind introspects, retrospects of what has gone in the year gone by. And we have done this some time back as we thank God in adoration for all that God has done to us in the course of the year. And to look ahead, the face in front, look ahead with hope that the year dawning will be for us blessings. Today's readings, as you have heard clearly, speak about blessings, speak about hope, and speak about God's unconditional love for each one of us and about our salvation. The first reading taken from the book of Numbers. The book of Numbers, you may recall, is a record of events that took place in Jewish history from Mount Sinai up to the time when they came to the promised land. It's about the woes and sufferings and their so-called grumblings and all that. And how God all the time was following them, journeying with them till they came to the promised land. The text that we read today is a priestly blessing. Because Yahweh asked Moses to tell Aaron, bless the people of Israel. It's a blessing on them. They have come back a long journey after their sufferings in exile. So the Lord asked Aaron to bless these people. Now this, in a way, is a threefold blessing. The first part emphasizes concrete gifts. It speaks of blessing and God's protection. God protect you. The second part is the blessing of hope, where God will be well disposed to the people and will judge them with love and mercy and grace. And third part of the blessing is God will pay attention and heed to the people to provide them what they need, fullness of life. So the first reading is a blessing the people of Israel. The second reading, Paul also gives a blessing to the Galatians. He says, God has blessed you through Jesus Christ. Now we can call him Abba, Father. A blessing where we can call God as our Father. The third reading is the blessings on the shepherds who are there taking care of their sheep. And the blessing is they get the good news. The good news is the child is born in Bethlehem. And they come and share this good news to Jesus and Mary. And they said Mary ponders and reflects over this. So these readings of today are readings of blessings. Just not for the Israelites, but for all of us. Not for Catholics only, for everyone. That God will always bless us as we live each and every day of this life. The second feast that we have today is the feast of Mary, the Mother of God. Now this feast is proclaimed universally by the Holy Father Pope Paul VI in 1970, saying Mary is just not Mother of Jesus, of the Church, which is Mother of God. Now this feast, of course, has got a background. Already in 431 AD, at the Council of Ephesus, the church elders got together and they said, Mary is Theotokos. Mary is Mother of God. And we get this language already at the visitation, where Elizabeth says, how can a Mother of God come to me? And she became Mother of God for various reasons, because her whole life was a life of fiat. When the angel came to her with the good news, she said fiat, not passive, but active. Which means, do with me as what you want. I'm like a clay in the hands of the potter. Fashion me the way you want. And we know that after she said yes to God, she had to undergo a lot of suffering. So the feast that we have celebrate Mary is the Mother of God, because her whole life was immaculate. Right from the time she was conceived till the time God took her to heaven. The third feast that we have is, as per the Jewish laws, the child was circumcised. The name given was Jesus, which means God saves. And when Jesus came in the world, he began a new kingdom, not like the kingdom of the earthly one, a kingdom of love, of forgiveness, of peace and justice. And because he proclaimed this new kingdom, he had to face the consequences. And therefore, his enemies killed him. So today we have got three feasts. The new year has dawned. Feast of Mary, Mother of God, and the feast of the name of Jesus. Now the blessings which were given by Yahweh to the Israelites also for us. As we start a new year, to receive the wholeness of the blessing, the newness in life, we have to have the attitudes of Mary, of total openness to God and His will. And when you have this and we live it day in and day out, doing always what is God's will, our life will be full of blessings. So today, as we begin this new year, we surrender ourselves totally to God, saying, God, use me as you want. I will do just your will, which is not at all easy, because our ego, in a way, comes in. So like Mary, we say fiat to God, God, be done to me according to your will. May God bless each one of you present taking part in this Mass, the newness of life, and all His blessings, and accompany you in this new year till we come the end of the year.